In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero Verify QR code. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Xero account and how to bring up the QR code you need to set up two-factor authentication with the Xero Verify app. Let's get started from your Xero dashboard. First, look to the very top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with your initials or an avatar image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you options related to your user account rather than your organization or your financial data. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Account. This link takes you to your main Xero account settings page. Think of this page as your personal profile and security hub, where you control how you sign in and how your identity is protected. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the section related to security or two-step authentication. Here, you should see an option to set up additional security. Click on the button or link that says Set Up. This is the starting point for enabling extra protection on your Xero login. After you select Set Up, Xero will guide you into the two-factor authentication setup process. On the next screen, you'll see different ways to secure your account. Choose the option that says Use Xero Verify. This tells Xero that you want to use the official Xero Verify app on your mobile device as your second layer of security. When you click Use Xero Verify, Xero will begin stepping you through the process, and this is where your QR code will appear. At this stage, you should have the Xero Verify app installed on your phone or tablet. If you haven't installed it yet, pause here